Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this video I'll show you guys how can you fix and solve Crunchyroll offline. If you're having issue with the Crunchyroll, then you could try following the steps. First thing first, you want to make sure that your application is completely up to date. So head over to your respective app store, and on the search box you want to type in Crunchyroll and see whether the application is updated to the latest version or not. After updating it, so see whether you're able to fix the issue or not. If the issue still persists on, you could try clearing your cache as well as data. Long press onto the application, click the I button or the app info, and then you want to go ahead and click on storage and cache. Now click on clear cache. Now clearing your storage is going to delete the data. Only if you're sure about it, then click the OK button, or else just leave it as it is. After doing it, so you should be able to fix it. If that's also not working out, you could try uninstalling the application and restarting your device by tapping on the side button and reinstall the application. That could be able to fix the issue all at once. If nothing seems to be working out, then you could actually go ahead and contact the support. So for that, you want to open up a browser and type in Crunchyroll support, and when you go to this site here, click on the first link that comes, and then you'll be able to fix the issue as well, or accounts or whatever issue that you're having, and just go ahead and submit the feedback and they'll be able to look into your matters. And in some cases, if you have not downloaded a video the correct way on Crunchyroll, then probably your Crunchyroll offline viewing might not be working. So you could also go ahead and make sure to check for the correct format. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.